Myself Harshit Nikam from Team Cypher Squad, and this is our project Circle, a AI-powered employee management system. Why we name this app as a circle? Because it connects all the dots, all the organization, and form a circle. So we have make a straightforward name Circle. So let's go through the home page, landing page. So here we have a basic login and signing button where an employee and an HR can log in and go to their organization. So this is a basic landing page to showcase what we are delivering the services and all the FAQ, the footer, but the main magic is on the dashboard and the admin panel. For the go through or the easy, we have implement a direct link of admin and dashboard here. So first we'll start with the dashboard. A dashboard is dedicated for the employees or the working persons, professional in the organization. So first, when we click on the dashboard, here we will see the username on the top side, this side, and this is the overview of a dashboard, like the task overview. We also calculate the data that the particular user has completed, how much that and how much the accuracy is, and also the overall progress in the various project 1, as you can see, and also we can see the upcoming events such as the team meeting, project deadline, and okay. Now we will go to the task section. In short, a task section where the user will get all the tasks assigned to the user. Other tasks is assigned by the HR or the manager. I will show in the further video in the later one. So here we can see our shortlist. Wait a minute. Okay. Here are some tasks like fix a critical bug, develop a new feature, update documentation, and here is the priority of the task, like urgent, high, low, and all this. Okay, we can see why it's a priority also. Here we can see the more detail of the task. Here we see the priority of the task. By also we can see to do the task progression and all. We can give the operation here. Okay, now the main part of this app that makes it different from the different EMS like employee management system is that the task is assigned by the HR or the admins, but our app does this in to-do list. This is a develop new feature. As you can see here, as we mentioned, develop a new feature. This is here, and it also comes to-do list. So what our app does is break this develop a new feature in small sections, so it can be easy for the user to complete it. For example, like this, I can complete it like this. All the suggestions are generated by AI, and okay, like that. And then we have also chatbot. Chatbot, why? Because various organizations don't allow. User or the employee to use ChatGPT or the other model, because there is a risk of the leaking of the data, the company's data. So that's why we make our own chat model, which help employee to do the daily office work, such as writing email or some work. Like for example, I will write a letter in front of you. Write a letter to HR for sick leave. Sorry for the typing mistake. And our AI will generate a letter for you. It will take some time because it is a free model. That's why it will take some time. As you can see the format, if I mention the name address, it will mention here. Also, we get a custom reply. And then the third feature we are telling that is the focus mode. Focus mode, in the sense, we first have to allow the permission. Once we start the focus mode, here we can set the time, and here all the notifications get muted for this particular time. Here you can play this song, adjust the volume, and also add the task. This is for the mental health of the employee, because as in the problem statement mentioned that we have to also tackle the mental health issue problem. So that's why we build a meditation session also. Here after some time we encourage user to do some meditation. So here we can set the duration from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, and also some rules also. And here is the media for some relaxing music and videos. The third feature, which is the messaging. The fourth feature, which is the messaging app, which is under development. We are working on it. It is not functional yet, but we have made the basic UI of it. And the last feature for the employee panel is video call. It is where employee can connect with the boss or HR via video call. I will show you in front of you. Just wait a minute. It will pop up to a new. I have to copy the link and send to my HR, and here you can see my face. I will turn off the camera and mic. And once I join the room, here I can share my screen also. All the things are available here. For now, I will close this app, and let's move on to the second entry, that is HR or the boss section. For that, we will click on the admin panel. You can see all the performance of the employees by the progress, task, and here this home dashboard is under making. So we will go on the task dashboard panel. Here we can create the task and assign to the user. Here are some tasks assigned to the employees. So I will also create one task and assign it to user. Task name, fix UI bug. I will select the priority. Employee skill matching, I will tell you later words. For now, I will write 60%. Deadline, I will use 31st. Okay, no problem. I will pending. and description. Here I will write a description which will go to the employee section, to the employee task management, and then our AI will break into the small section. But for now I am like to take a test. Then I will write the employee ID, that is unique ID for each employee, and I will create the task. As you can see, the fixed UI task is created. I can edit and delete it. I will delete it for now. Then the second AI feature that our website provides is skill-based assignment. What does skill-based assignment stand for? Suppose I want to make some changes, or I want to make a new UI for my new website. So I will like UI design for website, and I will write the task description UI design. Okay, and I will write the priority and also select the deadline. As you mentioned, wait a minute, is screen recording work? Okay. Yes, sorry. As you can see, the skill match required, I will select it to 60 or 70%, 71%, and when I create the task, the AI will suggest the employees who are capable to this task, like Charlie Brown, an employee who has 50% match rate, skills are 30% relevant, a workload 80% capacity, ability, he is available, all the design. And once I like the selected user, I will assign it, and boom, you can see you can see UI design for the website. I can also drag and drop and take the priority to high level like this, and also to do if the task is complete, I will mark as a complete. Sorry, there is glitch in this website, sorry. Then we can also do real-time tracking of the employees, such as these are some employees in our organization, live organization, which are currently doing the task. So as we can see, Harshit Nikam, last active, the status of the last active, when the employee was last active, and the rate productivity. This rate is calculated by the mistakes or the completion of the task they are doing. Suppose I will click on the view task. As you can see, write unit test, perform integral testing, document testing, all the details are here. As we can manage and track the employee. If we found something suspicious, we can report it. Then there is the employee database for the HR also, and here you can see all the database of the employee and the current performance and current workload, which is helpful for HR to give the bonus in salaries also. Then we will go to the performance analytics. It is a main feature, many employees demand in the because many employees want more salary, and it is difficult for the HR to track it, which employee done how much work and what is the rate, productivity rate. So that's why we make an employee performance which track and analyze all the data of the employee. Suppose I want to get the data of Bob Smith or Charles Brown. So I will download, I will get his performance score. Currently it is a complete C. As we see, Charlie Brown has completed project 1, all the details here, and also the AI inside of this. If I want to download this report, I can click and download. The file will download here. And the last feature is video call, as same as the employee section. Once we click on this, it will open. So this was our website. And also I forgot to mention one feature also, that is status. If I am online, I will mark online, and if I am offline, I will click offline. So it will update to the database and mark my status to offline. So this is our overview of and the features of our website. Thank you, judges.